And this review is for the Fiskars X7 Hatchet. Wanted to review this when it was brand new before I got using it, but we're going to check it out. I'm going to show you some splitting with it, but check that blade out. You got your sharpened edge here, and then you got a flare out, which is going to split wood very nicely. But this is super light, feels really, really good. Let's pull this off of here. Feels really, really good. You got your logo and X7 right there, but wow, yeah, it feels awesome in your hand, and it's super light as well. So just wanted to show you this quick while it's new and shiny, and then let's get into some wood splitting right now. Okay, so I've been using this a little bit, testing it out, and I want to show you how easy it is to split wood and start making kindling. Super sharp head. Look at how sharp it is. I don't even have to swing it. I can just drop it, and that's how sharp the blade is. But let's split a little piece of kindling. So very, very easy to make small pieces of kindling. You can pretty much go as small as you want. Very easy. Just be careful and watch your hands. Very nice kindling to make. That'll be great for any fire. Let's take a bigger one and a bigger swing and see what happens. So this really is strong enough to do a full-size slice. Definitely splits super easy. Doesn't take any effort to do a full split. Alright, so here's a thin piece. Let's take off some of this bark, and you can actually shave it pretty good with this blade because it's super sharp. Chops through super well. Alright, let's do a direct hit on the face. So the Fiskars X7 is an awesome hatchet. Super easy to make kindling for any campfire. Can highly recommend. Definitely grab one of these.